Hey y'all,
Hey y'all.
say hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
How's it going?
Good.
We got lunch today and we have some chicken and Raising Cane sauce, some french fries, some charred broccoli and cauliflower, and corn. Right, Greg? So, Raising Cane's and oh, we got a Mack truck from Cars 3 in the video as well. Raising Cane, homemade chicken, and Lightning McQueen.
Oh my gosh.
Lego Lightning McQueen. Yep. This sauce is really good. I'm gonna show you my charred broccoli. Oh, who's that? Dip it in the sauce. Ow, crap. Alright. We crashed. Alright, y'all. Enjoy your lunch.
Go enjoy your lunch.
See you later.
See you later.